Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we're going to not designing anything, but we are going to modify this. So as you can see in the video, sorry, on our screen, you can see that there is a copy. I made a copy of one of the Onshape user document that they have imported this CAD model in Onshape CAD software. So this is a simple static CAD model. You just go move and back, so there is no workaround or any emissions to it. Just a simple toy car or truck model. Okay, so from today's video, we are going to change this simple toy truck into an RC truck. You're hearing right. So as we have designed many videos, we have made many tutorials on how to design a specific model, but I haven't teach you how to modify the existing one. So from today onwards, we are going to focus on this specific objective, that modifying the existing models to the upgraded level. Okay. So as I this is a simple rock. It has a static parts. Is not at all assembled, but it's like a Lego model type assembly. You can just stick the parts together. Okay. So as we have everything got fitted, but these are not assembled. I think let's if these are assembled, but some features are got failed. All are faster mates here. Thing except the trailer. Okay, except these one part, everything are faster mates. So in order to make this into a RC model, we have to focus on specific things. One is the front one, because we have to make these front wheels to be steering. As they are only move forward, they do not steer. We have to make that modification here, and we have to fit a motor on the back side. The fitting is all good. We just have to stick the or attach the gears and motors to give power to the rear wheels. Okay, so let's do the assembly from our side, and we have to make some modifications. So let's begin the tutorial without wasting in more time. So let's undo this operation. Do it again. Okay, everything got fit. Now we have to change this front view. Let's switch back to the original part. Okay, just click on right click of this part, and you can see the option switch to part studio one, or else you can edit in the context as well. But we have created any context now. I just want to go to switch to part studio. So here you go. This is the actual part design. These are the sketches. Let's let's hide these sketches. We don't need them. Okay. This is the part we have to make modifications here. So right now, I don't want to uh, affect this part. Let's make a copy of this part studio and make changes to it. Okay. This is the practice of from my side. Whenever you want to make any modifications in future, just make a copy of it so you do not lost your first design. Okay. I just made a duplicate. I think it's not yet created. Let me get once again. Okay, now it's got created. Or else you can also maintain a feature version history. I will teach you in the next upcoming videos. Okay. So let's focus on this modification of it. So first of all, let me show you the how RC car steering works. in real scenario. We show a simple clear image. Okay, I think it's good. So if you observe, we have wheel hubs that is fit for wheels that actually rotate, and also the linkage to move the wheels and the fittings here. So because and we have to have more space here because the wheel is getting rotated, not like the rear wheels here. Okay, so if you come to this, we have to do one thing. We don't need this extra space here because we are not following this. Okay, so let's switch the assembly ones. So do you think the wheel is fitting in this position? Let's select the wheel and try to rotate it to 90 degrees. I think it won't because it already fitted. Okay, if you assumption, it should be this much angle it can rotate. Okay, okay, we don't need this position. We need to remove these. Okay, let's do that thing first. Just to pass to the copy. Or let's name it for here. C modifications. Okay, now let's select this space. Let me choose right break because it is exactly at the center. Select sketch. Going to select use to and just select this one. We got the sketch here. Just save the sketch and now extrude boss. Select remove to remove. Save with symmetry and increase the distance. There you go. Okay, but don't worry. We still have the sketches. If you just observe, okay. You don't know. Let's do one thing. Hit the sketch 70. Make sure all positions should be highlighted in the sketch. Okay, that's good. Now just visible the sketch on 70. So this is the wheel center position. Okay. Now the first thing we have to do is let's create the wheel hubs. Okay. These are the main things. Let's create them. Which let's create at the center and then we can those positions. Okay. Okay, for example. Mhm. Okay, let's select the extrude tool. I'm going to use thin extrude because I'm going to create a wheel hub. So it should be thickness should be not this much. Okay, it's too big. Let's go to 0.05 and okay, that is fine. Okay, and we have to decrease the depth as well. Don't need this much. Let's give 5 mm. Okay, that is fine. Now let's offset it and uh, let's control this offset distance. Okay, the wheel should be inside this, right? Okay, if you let's see if we can see the first wheel sketch. Okay, Now we can take it as reference. So that is the wheel actual position. So this much depth is now. Let's give to what? Let's give to 40. That's fine. Now save it. Okay. So this is the wheel hub that goes. The wheel is going to fit here. Okay. Now, now we need to create a horizontal link like this that should hold these front axles. Okay. So it's the same thing. I'm just going to use the same FUD here. Okay. Okay. I'm going to use the same cylinder part here and select transform tool and select this spot and choose rotate. I think we need a axis in order to rotate it to upside. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, I think it's too big because which we can maintain this much small uh, axle. Okay, let's do one thing. We need a plane here. Let's create a plane. Oh, this empty face. So sketch and draw a horizontal line here. Just choose left view. Click center and get it intersect and make sure it follows this. Make it parallel. Okay, now it's done. Now we need a plane here. For that, select plane and choose line angle. And actually, we need a top plane here. And we need to select the line. Or else we can, instead of line, we can also center point plane. Okay, okay, just save it. Now let's select the new plane that we have created. Select the plane and select the sketch. Let's draw the horizontal axle. Just hide this part for now. Part one. Okay. Let's draw the axle. I think this should not be. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. I will show you. Let's draw the circle. Choose the top view. Let's give the dimension. Let's keep it to 3. Okay. Now just save the sketch. Now select the circle region. Extrude. It should be solid, not that. Okay. Extrude. Okay. We need to offset, but okay, only the offset is working on only one direction. Okay, so let's keep it like this. Let's see, give the let's visible the part one once again to maintain the height. So actually, it should be that this is the center, right? And should be simple this one. So let's decrease the second and this depth. Let's keep it the value to 7 point. Let's give it 7 and give the same value to on other side as well. Okay. And if it is the wheel depth, I think this is too much. Let's decrease some more. Okay, let's keep it 7 for second direction and keep it less for, let's keep it 5. Okay, that's perfect. Now save the extrude. Now we need to remove this. I'm going to use the same previous circle. Choose the solid, choose remove, and change the direction, and then you go. I got it. And we need to may add some fillets to make keep it strong, or else the printing it may break. It should not break right now, but still, it's good practice to add some fillets to it. So this is the actual position. Now copy. Let's not the copy. Let's mirror this part. Select the hub. Select mirror plane. That should be the right plane. Keep it as new. Okay. Now switch to potato block assembly and measure the distance between this hub and this one. So actually it should be 10 mm. Okay, it is 10 mm. So and the hub distance we have drawn is 5 mm. So 5 mm. Okay, that's perfect. It is good. We can adjust the length later. Okay. So we got the parts. Now let's do one thing. Just make this part hide again. Now choose the top plane. I think because of the sketch. Okay. We don't need this sketch 5 anymore. Just hide it. Now let's choose top plane. Now select any one up top face. Okay. And select line. Draw from this center to this center. Actually, I'm going to draw the fixed axle blades, this one, because it needs to be fixed, right? And the bottom one should, other blade should be rotating one. Link. So now, right now, let's choose slot, set the line, and adjust the dimension of the slot. Make sure it should maintain at least offset of 1 mm. That's fine. Press enter. Press press mouse button to save. Now select use tool to add the holes to it. Okay, so these plates should be added on the top and bottom as well. Okay, so right now save the sketch, select extrude, and the thickness should be 2 mm. That is too much. Let's give 1 mm. Even this is also too much. Okay, that's fine. Now let's offset it in direction to, let's give 1 mm. Okay, that's fine. Choose, make it down as much as you can. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Okay, cool. Okay, save it. Now I'm going to use the transform tool once again to move this part using translate vertex axis because the distance is not consistent, not same. So make sure you select the copy part and drop it. Now you can adjust the distance. Okay, that's too much. Okay, let's give minus 6 point. and 6.5. That's fine. I think, yeah, that's perfect. Now save it. Okay, we have run everything. Now we have to draw one more place that link to this hub. Okay, to draw that, just choose the plane again. Okay, I think we missed. Okay, let me help you with the modification here as well. Okay, select the top plane, select the plane that we have created, select sketch, select use tool to create a reference line. Okay, now select line tool and start from its center or else. Okay, let's start from here and draw a diagonal line like this. Okay, this is the actual line that gives you the uh, how much angle your wheel should rotate. Okay, okay, if you maintain the, you can adjust the value how much you want. For now I'm keeping the value to 60 degrees, and that center starting distance should be 1. Keep it as like this. Now let me adjust, this length should be let's keep it 2. Okay, that's cool. Given this length also makes uh, depends that how your wheel should rotate. Let's keep it 3. Okay, that's fine. Let's keep it 3. Later we can adjust. Okay, now save the sketch. I'm going to use extrude thin, select the line. Okay, I think I understand. You may think it's too much. Select a plane, keep the depth to 1 and keep it thickness to 1. Yeah, it's too much, but we can adjust it, so no worries. So that the depth should be zero point 0.2. Let's get zero point 0.3 depth. Okay, that is fine, totally fine. Or else, let's do one thing. Just edit the sketch. Choose a slot tool once again. Draw it and give the value to as much as small you can. Let's keep it 1. That is the minimum value we can give. Double click to save it. Now save the sketch. Now choose this. Okay, we did one more thing. Sorry. Need to draw the hole as well. Give the dimension to this one. Let's keep 0.7 and save it. Now let's extrude it. Keep it symmetric. Give the value to 1. I know, let's keep it 0.2. Okay, now it fitting, but still it's not fitting yet. I have to make some modification. Let's give it 0.3. Okay, that's good. Now save it. Now if you observe, there might be a distance here. For that, you need to zoom in a lot. Select the inside one. Actually, we are not able to find it here, but it actually not fit. Okay, let's make modification by adding the fillet operation to it. Okay, now give the 0.1 value. Okay, let's edit it. Sorry, 0.1 value. And select this as well. So so it's covered up now. Now save it. We have to make uh need to make the same modification. Here you can apply two changes. One is you can roll back these three features to back. So before the mirror operation. So to do that, just select three and long press the three and move above the mirror 5 operation. And there you go, the changes got applied automatically. Okay, this is the one of the approach that you can modify your existing designs. Okay, everything is cool now. Now let's select the top plane again. We need to draw the linkage here. Just select this part. Why I'm choosing the only the right part always, because this is the first part that I have designed and this is the copied part. So whenever I make any changes to the part, so I can easily modify it with the designed part. If anything happens to the mirror part, it is difficult to make modifications again and again. So it is simple to choose with the design part that we actually design. Okay, instead of mirror part. Please remember that it will be helpful for you in future. Okay, mm, let's keep it one. That's fine for us. Double click to save and save it. Now extrude this plate. Okay, I forgot to add hole here. Even you can add hole later, but make sure keep the things simple. Don't make it complicated by making multiple features, or else sometimes Onshape tool also makes so much time to load. Okay, so keep it as new part, not add it, because it should be separated one, and save it. So we successfully designed the steering assembly. Okay, we steering parts assembly, we have to assemble them, then we can see the actual changes. Okay, so let's continue this part in the next video, guys, because if I make this everything in the same video, it takes too long and you might feel poor. So watch this video and design for this part. For next part, you can watch the other video. I will save it as a series so you can watch continuously. Okay. If you really like this the concept, if you like the idea, please do like and share, subscribe our channel, guys, and this will definitely help for me. Thank you.